Just imagine, you can now book your aircon cleaning service like how you order food delivery using a simple apps. Too good to be true, right? Well, it is now possible using the Go Daikin apps. You can have our certified aircon technician delivered to your doorstep with just a few taps on your mobile phone. You can conveniently choose your aircon cleaning packages and easily make payment through our secure payment gateway. You are able to accurately know the arrival time of our service technicians as well as your appointment detail after making your service booking. We offer both standard and transparent pricing for all our aircon cleaning service packages. Currently, we have two types of aircon cleaning packages, which are Go Clean Basics and Go Clean Pro. All packages come with a 60-day workmanship warranty for your peace of mind after the cleaning service. You will never again have to struggle remembering the last time you serviced your aircon, as our automated email service report will keep track of your servicing record and booking history in the Go Daikin apps. Experience peace of mind aircon servicing with us when you book your aircon cleaning service while the Go Daikin apps. Download Go Daikin apps now.
Affecting the air, Daikin.